I'm on a mission. Don't need to play because I got the vision. Wish they could see what they all were missing, but it keeps me going without hesitation. Future looks bright for me. The future looks bright. Definitely learned that all I really need is a heart on my sleeve and a wavering belief that what we see is not always what we get, and what we get is up to what we give. So live and learn to live, cause no matter how you're living there is more to this. If you're looking for a reason, if you're looking for a sign, keep your head up cause the future is bright.